Welcome to my channel. This is a question related to the arithmetical progressions for class 11. Whatever the type of the board is, whether it is of CBSE, NCERT, or UP board. Question is very important. Okay, only for class 11. If the first, second, and last term of an AP are ABC, respectively, ABC, they are the three terms given to us. This is the first term is equal to A, second term is equal to B, last term is equal to C. Show that the sum of the series is this A plus C into B plus C minus 2A upon 2 times B minus A. A solution statement now, solution. A is the first term and B is the second. It means D is very much required in arithmetical progression. It means D is the common difference. It means D common difference will be equal to B minus A. Common difference. रख लेते हैं, इसको जरूरत पड़ेगी. Okay, now and C is the last term. Let's suppose n are the total number of terms. It means an is equal to C, or we can say that C is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, now we have to find sum of it means Sn is to be found out. Sn is equal to obtain in terms of ABC. Sum of the series, it means it is to be proved in terms of ABC. Sn, the formula of Sn is equal to, because we are given last and second term, Sn generally the formula of Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 times A plus n minus 1 into D. And when it can be written as n by 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, it can be written as, right? Or we can say this is nothing but C. This is nothing but C. It means this is n by 2 into A plus C. This will be the Sn. Now our answer should be only in terms of A, B, C. N is to be reduced here. In place of n we have to write in A, B, C. C is also not, C is here. Okay, only n is to be replaced. From here n can be obtained. C minus A, this is equal to n minus 1 into D. Or we can say n minus 1 into D. D is equal to what? B minus A. B minus A. Correct? Okay. It means C minus A upon B minus A, that is n minus 1. Or C minus A B minus A minus plus 1 is equal to n. Or we can say in place of n we can write C minus A plus B minus A upon B minus A is equal to n. Or n can be written as C plus B plus minus 2A upon B minus A. This is the value of n in terms of C, B and A. This value we can put so that Sn will be equal to n by 2. It means this is by 2. C plus B minus 2A upon B minus A upon 2. This is the value of n. This, okay, into A plus C. This is proved. Hence proved. Clear? Only simple substitution is there. You have to simply replace all the terms in terms of ABC. Okay? Concept is very much clear. एक अर्थमेटिकल सीरीज थी जिसका पहला और दूसरा और लास्ट वाली टर्म की वैल्यू ABC में रिप्रेजेंट की गई थी. इसका हमने फॉर्मूला यूज किया. A पहला टर्म, B सेकंड टर्म है, तो D को हमें जरूरत पड़ती है कॉमन डिफरेंस में. D हमने पहले ही निकाल के रख लिया. सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट, इट मींस D इक्वल टू B माइनस A. अब ये लास्ट टर्म C दे रखी है. अगर किसी सीरीज में n टोटल टर्म्स हैं तो लास्ट सीरीज an हो गई, तो an की वैल्यू हमें C दे रखी है. an की वैल्यू C दे रखी है, जबकि a की वैल्यू फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से a प्लस n माइनस 1d होता है. इसका मतलब C इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d. d इज नोन टू अस. नाउ समरी अप टू द लास्ट टर्म निकालनी है. यानी अगर हमने टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स n मानी है तो समरी विल बी इक्वल टू Sn. Sn कैन बी रिटन एज the formula of Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. n by 2 को a अगर कॉमन ले लें तो यहाँ पे a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to c. इतनी जनरल फॉर्मूला ये भी है. इसके अलावा ये भी है. Sn summary to the nth term can be written as n by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay, last term is c we are given. So from here c is in the formula, so that c is not to be replaced. क्योंकि हमें c तो लानी है, इसको replace नहीं करेंगे. We have to simply replace n. Okay, so from here the value of n is calculated and this is to be substituted over here. सब कुछ आ जाएगा. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching my video, and I am very hopeful to you. You please don't forget to like, subscribe and give me the thumbs up for this video. Thank you. बहुत बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है. आप इस तरह से लाइक करते रहिए, सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, मेरा मोटिवेशन बढ़ता है और क्वेश्चन लेके आऊँगी. थैंक यू. गुड नाइट.